So next we have hyperbolic functions. So these are the equations for integrating hyperbolic functions. So memorize nyo na lang sila and same lang din yung concept dito. Yung mga unang formulas was derived from um, yung differential calculus. Reverse lang yung process and then yung huli. So dito, ito is from differential calculus. And itong dalawa is pwede nyong i-derive using yung mga naunang formulas. So, mas maganda, memorize nyo na lang para hindi nyo na kailangan mag-derive. So, let us try to use the um, hyperbolic functions in solving these examples. So, let's try to evaluate the first example we have here. Integral of hyperbolic sine of 3x minus 1 dx. So, this one, we will let u be equal to 3x minus 1. If we differentiate both sides, du will be equal to 3 dx. Next is, we will substitute or dividing both sides muna by 3 para mas madali tayong mag-substitute para hindi nakakalito. So, du over 3 will be equal to dx. So, cancel itong 3, both sides. So, du over 3 will be dx. If we substitute dx and 3x minus 1 to the original equation, so we will get integral of hyperbolic sine of, so 3x minus 1 is u, and then dx is du over 3. So we will get, labas natin yung constant which is 1/3. So equal to 1/3 hyperbolic sine of u du. So using the hyperbolic formula for integrating sine hyperbolic, so we will get 1/3. So integral of sine hyperbolic is cosine hyperbolic u plus c. So hyperbolic cosine of u plus c. So next, substitute natin yung u which was 3x minus 1. So we will get 1/3 of hyperbolic cosine of 3x minus 1 plus c. Okay, final answer. So next, we have here integral of 2x hyperbolic cosecant squared of 1 minus x squared dx. So let us try to let u be equal to, so 1 minus x squared. If we differentiate both sides, we will get du is equal to negative 2x dx. So dividing both sides by negative 1, so du, negative du will be equal to 2x dx. Sorry. So 2x dx. Next, we will, ayusin ko lang yung equation para mas madali tayo mag-substitute. This one will be equal to cosecant, hyperbolic cosecant squared of 1 minus x squared multiplied by 2x dx. So, we have here 1 minus x squared. So, ito, u. And 2x dx is equal to negative du. So, substitute natin. We will get cosecant hyperbolic squared of 1 minus x squared is u multiplied by, so negative du, hindi siya minus du. Labas natin yung negative sign. So, negative integral of cosecant hyperbolic squared of u multiplied by du. So, using the formula for hyperbolic cosecant squared, we will get, so negative multiplied by negative. Yung formula nito is negative hyperbolic cotangent. So, cotangent of u plus c. So, negative multiplied by negative will be positive. So, simply, hyperbolic cotangent of u plus c. So, yung u natin dito is 1 minus x squared. So, this one will be cotangent h of 1 minus x squared plus c. So, final answer natin. Next example. So next we have general power formula or the substitution rule. Some integrals may be evaluated by introducing a new variable of integration, say u, in place of the original variable x. So the variables being connected by some formula. So this will be our formula. So f of x with f of x, the different derivative of this f of x function dx is equal to integral of u du. So we let f of x be equal to u, differentiate the equation. So differentiate f of x and we will get du. Substitute to the original equation. So we will get this equation. So let's try it on our examples so we will understand it easier. So basically we will be just doing these 3 steps right here. So example number 1, evaluate the following functions. So integral of 3x plus 4 squared dx. So right here we can um, either uh, take the square of 3x plus 4 or solve it easier. So we just let 3x plus 4 be equal to u, differentiate both sides. We will get 3 dx is equal to du. So we just substitute this one right here. So we only have right here dx, so we will just divide it by 3 both sides. So du over 3. So we can now substitute here. We will get integral of, so 3x plus 4 is equal to u. So u squared, and then dx is equal to du over 3. So this would be du over 3. So now we can integrate it because it is already different. The function is already a function of the uh, integration variable, which is u. So integrating this one right here over t is a constant, so we can take this out of the integral sign. So 1/3 integral of u squared du would be left inside the integral sign. So now we will have 1/3 integral of, so we'll just be integrating now. So we will have u raised to 2. So the exponent will be 2. So 2 plus 1 all over. So 2 plus 1 plus, never forget the constant c. So we will get 1/3 of u plus 2. So that would be u cube over, so 2 plus 1 will be 3 plus c. Simplifying, we will get u cube over 3 times 3 is 9 plus c. So this is not yet our final answer because this was our problem. Our problem was in the function x. So for us to return it to function x, we just substitute u right here, which is 3x plus 4. We will get 3x plus 4 raised to 3 over 9 plus c. So this will be our final answer. So in this problem, I think you can still integrate it if you first squared this function, but it will be longer. So this will be the easier solution. So next example. So next example, we have the integral of x squared minus 1 raised to 4 multiplied by x dx. So again, we just let u equal to, so I think we'll just we need to let this equation be u, or this function I mean. So u is equal to x squared minus 1. So if we differentiate both sides, du would be equal to 2x dx. So if we look right here, we have here x dx, and in our equation we have 2x dx, so we will have to divide both sides by 2. So du over 2 is equal to x dx. Now we can substitute. So the equation will be equal to integral of, so x squared minus 1 is equal to u. So u is right here is equal to u. So it was raised to 4, so this would be u raised to 4, and x dx is equal to du over 2. So du over 2, this will be equal to, so this over 2 or 1/2 is a constant, so we take it out. So 1/2 integral of u raised to 4 du. So we have here u raised to 4 du. Next, we now may integrate. So we may now integrating this. So u, so the exponent is 4. So u raised to 4 plus 1 all over, the exponent was 4, so 4 plus 1 plus, never forget the constant c. So simplifying, we will have 1/2 u raised to 4 plus 1 will be u raised to 5 all over 4 plus 1 is 5 plus c. So simplifying this, we will have u raised to 5 over 2 times 5 will be 10 plus c. So again, our problem was a function of x. This is not yet a function of x, so we need to substitute again. So substituting, we will have u right here is equal to, again, from our substitution earlier, it is equal to x squared minus 1. So we will have x squared minus 1 raised to 5 all over 10 plus c. So this will be our final answer. So for our last example, we have here this equation. So for equations like this, we may divide the functions. So say we have a function f of x over g of x dx. So we will just be dividing the function and writing it in the form uh, the quotient plus the remainder and then dx. So we can rewrite it like this after dividing here. So we must know our quotient and our remainder. So let's do that for this example. So let us divide. This one will be our function of x and this one would be our g of x or f of x and g of x. So let us divide it. So x minus 3, 2x squared minus 6x plus 4. So x minus 3. So we have here, we need 2x right here. So 2x, so multiplying 2x to this function, we will get 2x squared. 2x multiplied by 3, we will get negative 6x. So we will get subtract this to the original equation, we will get plus 4. So this will be the remainder and this one will be the quotient. So this will be equal to q and this will be equal to the remainder. So recalling the formula from integrating f of x over g of x, we divide the functions and then if we get once we get the quotient, we just add the remainder function and then write it this way. So from our equation, so integral of 2x squared minus 6x plus 4 all over x minus 3 dx. This will be equal to, so our quotient was 2x, so integral of 2x, so our remainder was 4, so plus 4 dx. So next, we can now integrate this one separately. So this will be equal to integral of 2x dx plus integral of 4 dx. So we take out the um, constants. We will have integral of, wait, we will take out the constant. So we will have 2 integral of x dx plus 4 integral of dx. Now we can integrate. Now no more simplification. So integrating, we will have 2 times, so integrating here, x will have an exponent of 1, so this will be equal to x 1 raised to 1 plus 1 all over 1 plus 1 plus, so we will not add any constant, we will just add it at the end of integrating the whole equation. So we will have here 4. So the x right here, so let's just write it as a exponent of 0. So x raised to 0 plus 1 over 0 plus 1 plus the constant. So we will just be adding the constant for both of them. Let's just write it as c, so big letter C. Simplifying, we will get here 2 x raised to 2 all over 1 plus 1 will be 2 plus 4. So x raised to 0 plus 1 will be just x over 0 plus 1 will be just x. So plus c. So the 2 will cancel. So we will be left with x squared plus 4x plus c. So this will be our final answer.
Mga kaibigan, ang atin ngang alamin ngayong araw ay integration by parts. No, this is one technique in integration of integrals kapag hindi na pwede yung basic rule of integration. Alright? So, dun sa nauna nating video, tatalakay natin yung integration by algebraic substitution. So, ngayon naman, let us integrate by parts. No? And the rule in integration by parts is if we have an integration of u dv, so dalawa. Ibig sabihin, papartihin natin yung integrals na yan. Kung sinabi natin by parts, papartihin natin yung integrals na yan. No? Meron tayong u, meron tayong dv. So, dalawa sila. The rule is u multiplied by v. Ibig sabihin, yung magiging function niya dito, eto siya, uv minus the integration of v du. So, yun yung rule natin. Okay? Sa integration by parts. Kapag meron tayong ganitong integral, the function is uv minus the integration of v du. Okay? So, ngayon, paano natin malalaman dun sa expression kung alin yung u, alin yung dv? Okay? Dun papasok yung tawag dito, acronym ng LIATE. So, LIATE, no? L-I-A-T-E. LIATE. So, kayo nang bahala kung paano nyo babasahin yan, no? Kung liate babasa nyo dyan or what. So, again, LIATE. Ibig sabihin, mauna to, kung wala nito, sunod ito, kung wala ito, and so on. Saan sila i-assign? Doon sa u. Kasi ang una nating hahanapan ay yung u. Okay? Again, ang una nating hahanapan na parte ay yung u, then susunod pa lang yung dv. Right? So, ang priority natin ay, ito ay logarithmic expressions, no? So, logarithm, rhythm. Yan, tama ba? Tama ba spelling natin? O walang, hindi ba? Sorry. Ay ata ito ay.
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha eh!
Ay, logarithm, no? Naging y na. So again, logarithmic expressions. Okay? Tapos, yung I naman is inverse, no? Inverse trigonometric, inverse trigonometric functions, yung A, algebraic, so yung algebraic expressions, yung T, trigonometric expressions, then yung E, exponential. So, halimbawa kasi, doon sa integrals mo, meron kang isang algebraic expression at meron kang isang trigonometric. Kailangan alam mo kung alin yung u, alin yung dv. So, kung base doon, kung meron tayong isang algebraic, halimbawa, eto, dito na lang, nasa baba na lang. Halimbawa, meron tayong integration na 3x squared. Tapos, meron kang second 6x ay second sabihin na nating 6x ano. Second 6x yan. So, meron tayong algebraic, meron tayong trigonometric. So, hindi natin alam kung alin dyan yung u, alin yan yung dv. So, base dun sa ating rule na liate, logarithm, inverse, algebra, trigonometric, exponential, ang priority, ang mauna ay algebra.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Ay, so algebra to, ba't algebra? Algebra. Sorry. Algebra. So, meaning, base dito sa ating given example, ano, ito yung magiging u natin. Kasi algebraic expression to eh. Then, yung dv, etong second, which is trigonometric functions. Tama? Kasi nga, nauna yung algebraic dun sa trigonometric. So, dun, yun yung paggamit ng liate. Okay? Doon natin malalaman kung alin yung u, alin yung dv. Alright? So, ayun, yun lang naman yung basic rule no, sa integration by parts. Let us have an example para mag-gets ninyo. Basta tandaan nyo yung liate na yun, ha? Liate. Tapos yung ating rule. So, example number 1, let's say, Yan. Example number 1, integration of x, secant x, tangent x, dx. Now, based on the given example, so again, meron tayong algebraic, no, x dx, ay x, no, meron tayong algebraic x, meron tayong trigonometric, secant x, tangent x. Okay? Ngayon, base dun sa ating liate, mauuna yung algebraic expression compared doon sa trigonometric. So, ang u natin ay yung algebraic. So, lagay muna natin yung ating rule, ano? Yung, saan ko ba ilalagay? Dito na lang siguro. Yung rule ng ating by parts, the integration of u dv is equal to uv minus integration of v du. Ilagay ko lang yung rule na dito sa gilid. Ngayon, kailangan natin malaman kung alin ba yung u, alin yung dv, base dito sa ating given example. So, sabi ko nga, nauna yung algebraic expression, so u, ang u natin is yung x. Tapos yung dv natin ay of course yung natira, yung secant x, tangent x, dx. Yun. Ngayon, anong susunod na gagawin? Since kailangan natin, di ba, ito yung kailangan maging sagot natin eh. Kailangan natin ng u, kailangan natin ng v. Meron na tayong u, ito na yun eh, x na yun eh. Ang wala tayo, v. Paano makukuha yan? By integrating dv. Kapag in-integrate natin yan, so of course, integrate din natin yung kabilang side. So that will be v. So integration of dv is v eh. Integration of secant x tangent x, kung inyo pang natatandaan, that is equal to secant x. Okay? Tapos, ayun nga, v pa rin yung sa kabila, so ito na yon. Kailangan natin ng du. So, saan natin kukuhanin yun? Dito naman. I-differentiate naman natin tong kabilang side, no? Kabilang part. By parts nga, no? So, yung part ng u, part ng dv. Okay? So, by differentiation, that is du equals dx. Okay? So, meron na tayong u, meron na tayong v, meron tayong v, meron tayong du. Alright? Ngayon, kung ayaw ninyo itong isulat pa at ayaw nyo i-memorize, no? Ganito lang, yan ano. So, u multiply by v, tas v multiply by u, ay du. Tama, ano? So, lalagay na natin dito. So, ito, equal natin yan ngayon sa u multiply by v. Ay, wala pala to. Sorry. Ito na yung lalagay natin, ha? Hindi na natin lalagay ito kasi hindi magkakasya eh. So, ito na tayo agad. So, UV, so ito yun, U multiply by V, ano? That is X secant X minus integration V, ito yun, secant X du, which is dx. Tama? Ngayon, ito, hindi natin ito papakilaman. Kasi integrated na to eh. Okay, ito na lang i-integrate natin. Right? Equals, so copy mo lang yung x secant x na yun, ano? X secant x. Ano ngayon yung integration ng secant x dx? So, by the rule, ano? By the rule, that is equal to ln secant x plus tangent x. May kulang ba? Siyempre, yung plus c. And that is our final answer. Ganun lang, ano, ganun lang kadali ang by parts, mga kaibigan. Kailangan nyo lang tandaan kung alin ba yung magiging u, alin yung magiging dv. Alright? So that is for example number 1. Let us have another example. Example number 2. Integration of ln 3x plus 1 dx. So basically, ano, by liate, so nauna yung logarithmic, meaning, eto yung u natin. Tapos eto ngayon yung dv natin. Diba? Kasi logarithmic to, eto algebraic, ano. Okay. So let u, di ko na ilalagay yung rule, alam nyo na yun. Dito na lang siguro saan ko ba ilalagay. Okay, dito sa baba. Let u, yung ating ln 3x plus 1. Tapos, yung dx, yung dv ay yung dx natin. Tama? So, again, differentiate natin ito. So, that is du. Ano pang derivative ng ln? That is dx over x. So, meaning, differentiate natin itong 3x plus 1, which is equal to 3dx, ano? All over x, which is yung 3x plus 1. Sabihin lang pala, ang derivative ng ln ay derivative ng loob ng kanyang angle all over yung kanyang angle. Okay? Tapos, ito naman, integration ng dv ay v, and then integration of dx is x. So again, u multiply by v, v multiply by du. Dito ko na ilalagay, uv, so that is x, ano, unahin ko na yung x ln 3x plus 1 minus the integration of v and then du. 3dx all over 3x plus 1. Yan. So, simplify lang natin. Hindi ko na to gagalawin muna, kasi tapos na to Ito na lang muna gagalawin ko. Iwan ko na lang to, Kumbaga, susulat ko na lang siya, ika-copy paste ko na lang siya dito, pero hindi ko muna siya isusulat. Ito na lang muna. So, simplify natin, That would be 3x over 3x plus 1 dx. Yan. Now, let us divide this expression. Divide natin, Saan ko lalagay? Dito na lang siguro, So, 3x plus 1, Tsaka 3x. So, 3x divided by 3x plus 1, that is 1. 1 multiplied by 3x, that is 3x plus 1. We all know that we have 0 here. Minus, so 3x minus 3x is 0, So, 0 minus 1, that is negative 1. So, meaning, ito ngayon, itong expression na to, equal yan sa 1 minus 1 all over 3x plus 1. Siyempre, yung dx, huwag natin kalimutan doon. Okay? So, ngayon, distribute mo yung dx, tsaka yung integral sign. Break mo na to, ha. Saan ko to ilalagay ngayon? Ako, hindi na kasya. Dito na lang sa taas, ano. Puruin ko na to, alam nyo naman na yan. Pwede nyo naman balikan yung video, eh. Yan. So, lagay ko sa taas to, no. So, magiging, copyin ko na to, no. Balik ko na to. X, ln, 3x plus 1. Minus, eto na. Distribute natin itong dx tsaka yung integral sign. So, minus integration of dx. So, minus, that is plus. Integration of dx over 3x plus 1. Yan. Now, we can directly integrate this one, ano, kasi x lang ito. So, that would be x minus x. So, ito, as we can see, ang derivative ng denominator niya ay yung kanyang numerator. Therefore, this is ln. Okay? So, again, ang derivative nito ay ito. Kaya lang merong 3. So, derivative muna natin, ano muna natin to, ha? Ito muna galawin natin. Dito ko ilalagay para hindi siya makagulo doon. So, let u mo to, 3x plus 1. Ang derivative niyan is 3dx. Okay? Which is, ayun. Pero may 3. So, that would be du over 3 equals dx. Di pala kita. Yan. So, anong mangyayari ngayon? Dito sa dx over 3x plus 1. Pakita ko lang, ha. Ito, magiging, palitan natin ito, no? Yung dx magiging du over 3. Tapos, yung u. No? So, du over u, that is ln u. Now, integration of du over u is ln u. Etong 3 sa denominator, that is only coefficient. So, ibig sabihin, etong dx over 3x plus 1 na yan, that will be plus ln u. Yung u, papalitan na natin ng 3x plus 1. ln 3x plus 1. At syempre, yung denominator na 3. Yan. So, meaning, kung susulat na natin yung ating buong expression, ano, that would be x ln 3x plus 1 minus x plus ln 3x plus 1 all over 3. Of course, plus c. And that is our final answer. Yan. Yun lang. Ganun lang, mga kaibigan, ano.
Wow.
Kadali. Easy sa inyo yan, mga kaibigan. Okay, another example, number 3.